the flood was on top of the pond.
That's not our fishing from the pond.
But no, you have to see the other one. The first one we saw, it looked like one of ours.
Yeah, but do you see that one? It's definitely not ours.
We're looking at our backyard. Fishing after
Let's put it in our pond.
That's not ours. Ours doesn't look like that. It's not that red. And the tail's kind of big and wide.
He's hiding. He's right behind that pole.
Well, we can save it and put it in our pond for now.
And then what if they eat our fishes?
Yeah, we're not putting that white one. Grab a little cookie, it's okay. Where'd it go? Imagine if I dropped my phone in this. I lost the fish!